Hey everyone, so exciting day today with not just one but two new Xperia phones to unbox. So I have the X Performance and the XA. Now this video is going to be about the X Performance, and the next video I'll do the XA. But just look at the box, you can tell that they're pretty different. But then the X Performance, which I have on the left here, is very similar to the X. The main difference is here at the bottom. You see it says Performance here in small print. Aside from that, the boxes are very similar. Again, a very minimal box. And then let's just have a closer look at the back. So some of the specs here at the bottom, which I'll talk about in a minute. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Nice colors on the side there. And right on top I have the Xperia X Performance. So I got the black version. Now with the X I have the gold version. I'll do a more in-depth side-by-side on that later, but just a quick look at that. Let's see what else we get in the box here. Alright, so instruction manuals. Read these quickly. And I did import this from Taiwan, so that's why it's in Chinese. Here's the power adapter. So this is going to differ depending on your region. I live in the United States, so this won't be useful for me. Alright. And then some headphones. I think these are probably the same as the one that came with the X. Let me check that real quick. Alright, so interesting. The headphones are actually different. With the Xperia X Performance, you're getting an MH410C, which I have here on the left. And then with the Xperia X, you're getting an MH750. So let's go ahead and keep looking at what's in the box here. So we got some cardboard and micro USB cord. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the phone. Now you notice I got this in black. It's also available in lime gold, rose gold, and white. I have the 64GB version, dual SIM, also available in 32GB. It has a 5-inch LCD Full HD screen, 23 megapixel rear facing camera. Oh, that's nice looking. I actually didn't know it was shiny like that. "13 megapixel front facing camera. See micro USB at the bottom there. And it does a quick charge 2.0, not 3.0 unfortunately. Does a fingerprint scanner here on the side. Now the main differential between the X Performance and the X is that the X Performance has a Snapdragon 820 rather than a 650, and it also has waterproofing. Along with the Snapdragon 820, it has 3GB of RAM. It has micro SD card support, which is on the side. Internally, it has a 2700 mAh battery, which is slightly larger than the 2620 on the Xperia X. So let's go ahead and power this on using the fingerprint scanner on the side, which also doubles as a power button. You also got the headphone jack at the top. And let's go ahead and compare it once again versus the X. Very similar in build quality. Alright, so I think this is going to be in Chinese. I'm just going to work my way through some of these menus. Alright guys, so a little bit difficult to get through menus in Chinese, but I finally made it. And for any of you guys who imported this from China, I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. You see you have this keyboard icon right here, which is at the very bottom of the settings. Just click on that, and then click this first option at the top, and then you can set your language wherever you want. So it's going to set the English United States. Alright, that's better. Again, another quick look versus the X. Really like the background on this. I'm going to show you guys it versus the Xperia Z5. So here's the Xperia Z5 on the right here. Again, not a lot of changes in the design. Then the back. Alright guys, so again, the X Performance is very similar to the X, except for there's some differences which make the X Performance more of a high-end device and the X a mid-range. So the X Performance, again, it has a Snapdragon 820 versus a 650 in the X. The battery is slightly bigger. It's pretty negotiable at 2700 versus 2620. And another big feature is the X Performance has waterproofing, IP68 certified. Alright everyone, so if you enjoyed the video, stay tuned to this channel for the XA unboxing, which will be in a few minutes, as well as all the other videos that I planned for the X Performance. Let me know in the comment section what type of video you want to see next, and thanks for watching.